We got a bass on here. I'm gonna start reeling this fish. Oh, he got me inside some weeds. I got him. He got the bass. He was fighting so hard, but he's only like 2 pounds. First one, hook him, and then we release. No, my rod, bro. I don't want that to get scratched. Bro, it's brand new. Dude, freaking hook popped right out. Bass is right there. I got another one hooked up. That was a small one. That was not fighting good. It's just a little guy. Alright, now I got this bass unhooked. It took me like 7 minutes. Alright guys. So funny. Just caught this 4.5 pounder. Freaking big. Okay, now we release him.
Let me get my fish.